Last video, pinuntahan natin ang Ayala Malls, UST Santa Rosa at ang Nuvali Flyover. But for this video, pupuntahan naman natin yung iba pang upcoming developments dito sa Santa Rosa, Laguna. Don't miss out kasi isa to sa biggest update dito sa area yet. This mall is unofficially named as SM Yulo Premier. Ito ang pangalawang SM dito sa Santa Rosa, nakatapat lang mismo ng Calax at yung isa ay nasa National Highway.
We all know that this is an upscale mall of SM, and di mo makakaila, they are really investing into this area. When you see this in person, magugulat ka na lang na may SM na pala dito. May 1 hectare air-conditioned central garden. Magkakaroon ng 2 high-rise mixed-use towers, possibly having 18 to 25 stories. Nung na-announce ito, it truly cemented Santa Rosa as one of the next big cities.
Speaking of big cities, doon naman tayo sa kabila. Sa Ayala naman, syempre hindi papatalo yan.
Alam naman natin, matagal nang in development ang Nuvali. For our next location, ito naman ang pinoposition as the next Makati of the South.
This is the upcoming Museum of Architecture and Residence. The concept-driven design is a vertical extrusion of the rice fields that once blanketed the project site here in Nuvali, Santa Rosa, Laguna.
This amazing idea is coming to life thanks to the partnership between Calma Properties and a world-famous architect from Japan, Sue Fujimoto. He is known for designing buildings that come alive, where light, air, and nature seamlessly harmonize to create vibrant and inspiring spaces.
And right now, the project is taking its shape and we will be showing you the full plan on the screen right now.
Now, for this next update, alam namin na maa-appreciate ito especially ng mga taga Nuvali. Dito lang siya malapit sa Xavier School Nuvali, right in the center or heart of Nuvali proper. Magkakaroon ng Mary Mart dito sa area. If you are a resident, it would be so nice to have more option in commercial spaces. Sa dulo, may Ayala Mall Soledad ka. Now, meron ka pang Central Block. There's always something new brewing here in Nuvali, which makes our clients want to invest dito even more.
We hope you like this video, and for sure kung OFW ka na recently lang nag-invest dito sa Laguna, you might be wondering, ano na nga bang nangyayari dito sa area? Should I even consider going back? So dito sa video na to, pinakita na namin sa inyo. We put a lot of effort in making this video for you, and it would mean everything to us if you hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell. Again, my name is Amor Almoguera. I am Mr. Own That Property of InvestGen Realty, and see you on our next videos.